The sun was slowly moving across the sky. The golden savanna looked peaceful and endless. Tall grass moved gently in the warm wind. Under a large acacia tree, a strong lion was resting. His mane was thick and golden brown. It shone under the sunlight like fire. His eyes were closed. His breathing was deep and steady. "I have hunted well today," he thought before falling asleep. "Now I deserve rest." Birds sang softly in the distance. The world felt calm and safe. The king of the forest was asleep. Not far away, a small grey mouse was exploring the grass. She was full of energy. She loved adventure. Suddenly, she saw the lion. Her tiny eyes grew wide. "That is the great king," she whispered. She had never been so close to such a powerful animal. She looked at his huge paws. Each one was bigger than her whole body. "He will not wake up," she said softly to herself. "I will just take a closer look." Slowly and carefully, she climbed onto the lion's back. The lion's fur felt warm and soft. The mouse ran across his mane, laughing quietly. But then, crack! A small twig broke under her foot. The lion's eyes opened. In one fast movement, his giant paw came down and trapped the mouse. The mouse froze in fear. Her heart beat fast. She could feel the weight of his power above her. "Please," she cried, "please do not eat me, Your Majesty. I am small. I made a mistake." The lion looked at her closely. His eyes were strong but calm. "You are very small," he said slowly. "Why should I spare you?" The mouse took a deep breath. She was shaking, but she spoke bravely. "If you let me go," she said, "one day I may help you." The lion laughed loudly. The ground almost shook. "You? Help me?" he said. "I am strong. You are tiny." But then he paused. He thought carefully. "Kindness does not make me weaker," he said to himself. Slowly he lifted his paw. "Go," he said, "and do not disturb me again." The mouse bowed deeply. "Thank you. I will never forget this." She ran away into the grass. Days later, the lion was walking near the river. The air was hot and dry. Suddenly, whoosh! A heavy rope net lifted him into the air. The hunters had set a trap. Thick ropes wrapped tightly around his body. He roared loudly. Birds flew away in fear. He pushed and pulled with all his strength. He bit the ropes. He scratched them with his claws. But the ropes were too strong. For the first time in his life, the great lion felt helpless. Far away, the little mouse heard his roar. "That is the king," she said. "He needs help." Without hesitation, she ran toward the sound. When she arrived, she saw the lion hanging in the net. "Do not worry," she called out. "I am here." The lion looked down. "Little mouse?" he said in surprise. "You once showed me mercy," she replied. "Now it is my turn." The mouse climbed onto the ropes. With her sharp little teeth, she began to chew, bite by bite, thread by thread. It was slow work. The sun moved lower in the sky. The lion waited quietly. He trusted her. Snap! One rope broke. Then another. Finally, with a strong push, the lion fell to the ground free. The lion stood proudly, He shook his mane and looked at the tiny mouse with respect. "You were right," he said softly. "Even the smallest friend can give the greatest help." The mouse smiled. "Kindness always comes back," she answered. From that day on, the lion never laughed at small animals again. And in the golden savannah, strength and kindness walked side by side. Moral: no one is too small to make a difference.